To find the x-intercepts, you always let y equal 0. So that's 0 equals x squared minus x minus 42. And to factor this, if it will factor into two binomials. This spot times this spot must give you x squared, so that would be x times x. And now the last spot, this times this must give you a negative 42. And these inside terms, outside terms must add up to a negative x. So that would be negative 6. It's negative 7 times positive 6. Because negative 7 times positive 6 is a negative 42. And if you multiply the insides, you get negative 7x. Outsides are positive 6x. Negative 7x plus 6x is a negative x. And if you don't understand how I check that, then you would have to multiply this out the long way. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is positive 6x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times positive 6 is a negative 42. Now combine like terms, and you get x squared minus x minus 42. So it checks. Now we're trying to solve this equation. And what is the only way you can multiply two things together and get 0? You would have to either x minus 7 equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. So solve this equation. That would be x equals 7 or x equal negative 6. There are your two x-intercepts. If you had to put them in ordered pair form, it would be 7, 0 and negative 6, 0. Now, to find your y-intercepts, you let x equal 0. So you've got y equal x squared minus x minus 42. Y equals 0 squared minus 0 minus 42. Y equals 42. That number will always be your y-intercept. And in order pair form, that would be 0, 42. You could also request videos that we did during the first day of Tame the Test, that Saturday. I can't remember if you attended that Saturday or not, but one topic we covered was factoring, and you can request that video if that would help.